Standard 7, Chapter 6, Practice Set 26. Before solving these sums, let's understand something. Now see, chapter name is Indices. Okay, so what is indices? See, this is base. Base means a bottom. So any number which is at the bottom is said to be base, and the number which is in top of that number is said to be index. कोई भी नंबर नीचे होता है तो वो बेस कहलाता है, और उसके ऊपर जो भी नंबर दिया रहता है it is said to be index. So when there is one number we say index, when there are many we say indices. Okay, now this index, it has many names. It has name order, it has name power, it also has name index, which you will be learning in this exercise. So basically what does this power or order or index do? ये करता क्या है? ये जो इंडेक्स है ना, ये बेस को ऑर्डर देता है. क्या ऑर्डर देता है? सी नाउ 4 raised to 3. सो दैट मीन्स ये जो 3 है, ये जो इंडेक्स है, वो 4 को ऑर्डर दे रहा है. क्या ऑर्डर दे रहा है? कि तू अपने आप को 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई कर. यू मल्टीप्लाई योर सेल्फ थ्राइस बिकॉज आई एम ऑर्डरिंग यू. यहाँ पे 3 है तो वो इसको ऑर्डर दे रहा है. 4 into 4 into 4, and whatever the value you will get, that will be your answer. Okay, so now one more important thing, if any number is raised to 2, so we do not say 2, we call it as a square. And also if any number is raised to 3, so we do not say 3, we call it as a क्यूब. किसी भी नंबर के ऊपर अगर 2 है तो हम उसे स्क्वायर बोलते हैं, एंड इफ इट इज 3 वी कॉल इट एज अ क्यूब. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर सम्स. नाउ what does the table say? Complete the following table given below. So 16 raised to 3, so that means 16 cube. So बेस क्या है? जो नीचे का नंबर है 16. इंडेक्स जो ऑर्डर कर रहा है 3. नाउ व्हाट दिस 3 इज सेइंग टू 16, दैट यू मल्टीप्लाई योरसेल्फ थ्राइस. 16 into 16 into 16. So now we have to find out the value. So let's multiply. 6 6 are 36. 6 1 are 6, 7 8 9. 1 6 are 6. 1 1 are 1. 6 plus 9 15, 256. Further we have to multiply one more time. So ये आंसर से और एक बार 16 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, क्योंकि टोटल 3 बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. सो 1 2 और उसके आंसर से ये थर्ड टाइम. 6 6 are 36. 6 5 are 30, 33. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. 1 6 are 6. 1 5 are 5. 1 2s are 2. So answer is 6 9 10 2 3 4 4. So your final answer is 4096. Now here -8 base and 2 index. So they haven't written question over here. So you have to write the question. जो base है वो यहाँ पे, एंड ये जो 2 है वो स्क्वायर यहाँ पे उसके सर के ऊपर राइट हैंड साइड. एंड क्योंकि वो ऑर्डर दे रहा है you multiply yourself twice. So let's see. 8 8s are 64 and minus into minus plus. 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई हुआ तो प्लस. Now, here they have already written answer and this. So, this is a base. हम तब से base को multiply कर रहे हैं ना. So, 3/7 is a base. So, 3/7. And how many times they have multiplied it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 is index. 4 is index. So, यहाँ पे raised to 4. Done. The last one, minus 13, your base. Raised to 4, your index. And you have to follow the order, multiply 4 times. क्योंकि 4 बोला गया ना, तो वो अपने आप को 4 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. Okay, so let's do multiply 13 into 13. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. So 9, 3 plus 3 6 and 1. 169. Since they have asked us to multiply 4 times, so this is 2 times. Again when we will multiply 2 times, we will get the same answer. So why not directly multiply them? So 169 multiplied by 169. Yeah. 9 9s are 81. 8. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8, 62. 9 1s are 9, 10, 15. 6 9s are 54. 5. 6 6 are 36 plus 5, 41. 6 1s are 6 plus 4, 10. 1 9s are 9, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15. 6, 7, 8 and 2. So you come to your final answer. You get your final answer 28,561. See, if you don't want to do like this, you can go simply. आप ऐसे भी 169 को और एक बार 13 से, फिर जो आंसर आएगा अगेन वो आंसर को और एक बार 13 से, ऐसे भी जा सकते हो. So here we get our answer. Let's go move further. Now, second sub question, find the value of. So simply what you have to do, follow the order. 2 raised to 10, that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, no necessary to show this. It's okay. आप नहीं बताओगे तो भी चलेगा. Just find out the value. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are, let's do 128 into 2, 2 4s are, sorry, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 1s are 2. Then one more 2. So 2 6s are 12, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 11, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 5. Then one more 2 left, 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So your final answer is 1000 and 24. Okay, so and same pattern you have to do this. Either you directly find out the answer, or if you want to show, you can show. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Here. So minus 7, 4 times you have to show. Whenever you see minus sign, please use bracket. So it will not make you confused. Now 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7. 7 9s are 63. 6. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 6. 29, 30, 34. Then one more 7 is left. 4 times, no? So 7 3s are 21. 2 carry. 4 7s are 28. 29, 30. 3 carry. 3 7s are 21. 21 and 3, 24. So you get an answer 2401. Further, minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. Why? Because the index is 3. So cube. So thrice you have to multiply. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. Then 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are 729. 8 raised to 1, that means 8. This is your answer. Further, 4 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 5. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. And the last one, 1 upon 2 minus. Multiply by 1 upon 2 minus. Multiply by 1 upon 2 minus. Multiply by 1 upon 2. So 1 numbers of time you multiply, you get answer 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now, since that it is even number, so your answer will be in even, means minus है ना, अगर ये इंडेक्स ऑड नंबर में होता है तो आंसर माइनस में आता है, बट अगर इंडेक्स इवन नंबर में है तो आंसर पॉजिटिव में आता है.